Hey guys, that was weird. So just want to show you real quick how you can use the Snip tool to help you go back in the Apex slides and look for information that maybe you're missing while you're taking a quiz. So for example, Algebra 1, I'm going to click in. I'm just going to jump to the quiz. I'm going to resume. So I'm in the quiz, right? And let's say continue on here. Let's say this question, right? I'm stuck on this question, and I'm not sure if I didn't write it down in my study guide or I didn't take notes on it. I'm not sure where it is, but here's what you can do. Rather than just going back out of the quiz, because if you exit the quiz, it saves your spot. But rather than just going back out, what you can do is um, down here, if you're not familiar with it, go to your search menu on your start menu, or sorry, search bar, and type in snipping tool, and it should start popping up. This is basically a little screenshot program, so that here's what I would do. Before you exit the quiz, do a new screenshot, just snip the question, and then just have this up, right? So now when I go back, and if I go back out and go to the study section where all the slides are, if I start looking through these slides again, then I can still pull the snip up, right? So here it is down here. I can pull that up, and then I can see it, so I can best answer my question. A lot of times, maybe not math so much, but some of those classes that require maybe a lot of reading and searching through some of the reading that you've done, this can be helpful. So then as you find your answer, and then maybe you know which answer it is now, or maybe you're eliminating answers as you go. You're saying, okay, I know it's not undefined. I know it's not undefined. I know it's not irrational. So maybe I decide, okay, I think it is a rational. So now I can go back, go to my quiz, resume, and get back to that question, and then select it. Okay. Um, Now, the important thing here is with this snip tool, this is a tool that you can use, that you are allowed to use, but when you close, right, when you close this, do not save it. I will tell you this, that is considered cheating to save the questions. Okay, I can't say that strong enough. This is a tool that you can use, but you may not save the question. So when you close it, um, if it's the first time you're using the tool, then it will ask you, do you want to save this? You say no. Okay? If you say, remember this response, that way you don't even have to remember whether or not to say no. It'll just automatically do that in the future. So when I close it, it doesn't even ask me anymore, because I've already said, no, never save the picture. And then just remember that response. Okay. So that is another option you have. Again, maybe I should have used a different class, like psychology. You got, here it is. Open up psychology here, jump into the first unit, going through the study guide portions. Then again, if it's a class that has a lot of reading and a lot of things involved like this would be a good method to help you go back and look through the reading, through the slides easily, while still being able to see what the question and the possible options are. Again, just remember, you may not save the snips. Okay, and if we find out that you are, there will be consequences.